Now we are taking 417. 417. Okay, so here one line I want to put, here another one line, and now here a cross line I want to put, and now I want to think which is a cube number near to it. So definitely 343 means cube of 7 is suitable, so 7s I want to write here. And now by subtracting 343 from it, I am getting just 343, I am getting 4 and 7 74 I am getting. Okay, so and here 3 a square is 49 into 3, 147 as a divisor, just we have taken. Okay, now our example is going on. Now here zeros are going to be added. I have just added here 0, and now we are solving. Now so here is 740 with us and divisor is 147. Here that we have got 1 a, and now furtherly we are trying for b now, value of b just now. So 147 divided by hiding one digit. So here Pfizer I am just looking, but Pfizer would be bigger because last digit is 0 and here last digit is something. So suppose here by 15 I am trying, then it's smaller. So Forza is exact perfect, so that I am taking as a B. Okay, so let us find firstly Forza what it is. Okay, 588 are the Forza. So I should subtract 588 from it. So we are getting here 152, we are getting 152. So here we have 1520 to find the next term C. From 1520 we have to subtract firstly this much and then division. Okay, so AB square we have to subtract. So let us find AB square with those value. 3 we have to subtract 3AB square. So 3 into A is 7 and B square is 16. Okay, now 3 7s are 21 into 16, 21 1s are 21 and 21 6s are 108. So it would be our 306 are 28, no? 6 are 126. 21 6 are 126. So it is 138. Let us check again back. 21 10s are 210 and 21 6s are 126. Yeah. So here we got 336 to subtract from it. 336 we are getting to subtract from it. So if we will subtract 336, we are getting here 11, we are getting here 1184, and from 1184 now we can subtract 7s are 147 into 7 we can get as a C, and so 7s are 1029. If we will subtract 7s are 1029, then we are getting again back 159. So now we have 1590 as a next one. Those previous value I want to rub because I don't have space here to write furtherly. Okay, so now we have to find D, we have 1590, and from 1590 for fourth we should subtract firstly this much and then should start divide. Then if I will subtract value of 6ABC plus B3, totally B cube, togetherly that value is 1176 plus value of B cube is there 64. If togetherly I am subtracting everything from it, remaining is 310. And now I am thinking what is suitable. Now 4 147 2s are I am looking suitable, but remainder doesn't remain much of, so 1 is only suitable here. And if I will subtract 1 means 147 from it, I will get as a remainder 163 and that's 0. So with further it I can again continue it, but I am just stopping it because I have got the answer 7.471 up till I have got, means up till 3 digit I have got answer. So finally what can we say? Example's answer is 7.471 is our answer. Okay, by practice again and again perfectly and fastly we can solve this example. Now one more example we are taking here. We are learning a little bit different method. So means already we have used it, so again we will be more perfect in it. Now here we are using Venn column system for it. Here example digits are those much, means totally 7 digits are there. So this is one pair, this is another pair, and this is third one pair that I am putting before cross line. So now we are going to solve the example. Okay, so here is 6. So the cube number near to 6 and can be subtracted from 6 is like 1's cube is 1. But by taking cube of 1 here as a, I get further example little bit hard. So here there is another method is there in Vedic mathematics. That is what we are taking, apart from 1 we are taking 2 as a, as a first digit of the answer we are taking 2. So what happens after taking 2? Just see, cube of 2 I should subtract from it. Okay, let us subtract. Cube of 2 is 8. 6 minus 8. Now bar 2 is there. Bar 2 means minus 2 is there. So that we accepted. One thing. Okay, we done. Now here 3a square. 3a square. If a is 2, then a square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 we got as a 3a square, means as a divisor we got. Okay, now division is going on. Here bar 2 3 means togetherly 17, bar 17 is that we can understand. Okay, see bar 2 and 3 means it is what 3's complement is 7 and less 1 17. We know it everything, so we are not wasting time in that. So bar 17 is there. So here we can say 12 ones are 12 ones are, but you can understand I had done 12 into minus ones are and then tried to subtract minus 12 from it. Minus into minus plus is that we know. So here bar 1 is my first answer. Bar 1 is my first answer here. If I subtracted minus 12 means I added 12 in that, remained bar 5 with me. Remained bar 5 with me. So here bar 5 3 means bar 47 we have. That is to keep in mind. So here bar 47 12 3s I can say 12 3s, but here I want to say 12 something to subtract here. So what to subtract for? It is b and it is now c. For c what to subtract? 3ab square. 3ab square. See firstly value 3ab square's value we are going to find. 3a is 2 and b is bar 1. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 6 into bar 1 is bar 6. Okay, adding bar 6 in that, sorry, subtracting bar 6 in that means adding. So togetherly they are being bar 53. Bar 53. They are togetherly being bar 53. Okay. So now with bar 53 I can say 12 forza. 12 forza. But here with a different way I am saying 12 fiza. 12 fiza bar 60. 12 fiza bar 60. So if 60 are those 12, I'm sorry, 12 5s are 60 I am doing. Then 53 minus 60, 7 are those that I am writing here, okay. Now there are 74 with me, and now 12 wadza I can say, but before that I should subtract this term, because I am going to, it is my C and now I am going to find D. So firstly from 74 I should subtract this much and then should try for division, okay. So now here let us subtract firstly. So 6ABC plus B cube, 6ABC plus B cube we are going to subtract. 6A is 2 gunile into B is bar 1 into C just we found bar 5, okay. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 10 6s are 60 are those, that is 60 here, and B is bar 1, that's Q is bar 1, that is added in that 60. So togetherly they are being 59, okay. So if we will subtract 59 from 8, we are getting 1 5 15 here, we are getting 1 5 15, and so if there is 15, then 12 1s are 12 we can say here, 12 1s are 12 we can say. Remain just only 3, but with 36 further whole term subtraction is not possible. So here I am doing zeros, and so direct those all 15 we are taking here, all term 156 we are taking here, and now value of this everything we are subtracting. So value of it is 135. This 156 minus 135, I am getting here 21. So now 12 1s are, I can say 12 1s are, remaining is 9, that I want to write procedure and I want to stop the example, because this much only I am needing, okay. So here 3 terms were there, so 1 2 3, after 1 2 3 digit here I want to put decimal point. So as an answer I have got 215, but those are both bar, 215.01, this is my answer, but those bar digits I have to convert. So how can I convert? For 5 I want to take complement of it 5, then again it is also bar, but 2 bar to come here, so it will be 8 and 1, 185.01 is our final answer. In that way you can solve, but you can solve those examples. Thank you very much.